Welcome to Barcelona. I'm super excited to give you guys a glimpse into what our life is like here, what it was like moving here, our apartment, our little neighborhood. And I also am excited to show you guys what it's like living here as a digital nomad. Is it a good place for digital nomads to even live? Is Barcelona a great place for digital nomads? Obviously, Spain's coming out with a Digital Nomad Visa soon, so I definitely want to give you guys an insight to see if this is another place in Europe that can be a digital nomad haven.
Our door, and we live up there.
Moment, they are painting our elevator. Interesting. And so we have to take the stairs, and we live on the 8th floor, and each floor is like 3 sets. So booty and legs better look nice after this. Alright guys, welcome to our apartment. Obviously I just came to the front door. As you can see, we have a bit of a shoe love, me and my boyfriend. Here's the first hallway. We have a cute little tiny bedroom. And out here, as you can see, is where you hang all of your clothes. I'll show you from the bathroom another angle. Actually, it's probably easiest to show you here. This is where you hang your clothes. As you can see, it's like really deep down there, so you have to be careful. The hallway. We have such a cute little bathroom. Super cute, modern. Obviously, all of my makeup stuff, his tiny little corner. Cute little shower. I'm gonna show you again what I was talking about. More space. The depth. So as you can see, I am an American, so I don't ever hang dry my stuff. I've learned obviously in Europe and the UK this is very common, but in the city it's interesting because you do it out your like windows, but if anything falls down there, like you ain't getting it back. Like that is it. That thing is a gonzo. Yeah, so you want to be really careful when you're pinning things that nothing falls down because you don't want to lose any of your clothes. And then here's our cute room, clothes rack, which I try and share with my boyfriend. Our cute bed, little plants, more drawers, and then opens up to the city. And this is our little neighborhood, St. Anthony, as you can see. So pretty and cute. And like I said before, behind this building right there is Mount To Barcelona, and then down that direction that way, if you walk, is like towards Raval and Gothic Quarter in the center of Barcelona. So now we have the kitchen, super cute refrigerator, a little place for us to have dinner and cook. I personally love to cook, so loving all of this, just super cute. And here we go with the living room. It's where we work, both me and my boyfriend. We better look. Cute little area. And then what I was saying before is you have a nice view of To Barcelona, the mountain up there in the middle. Main road, so a bit of noise, but it's fine. City living, isn't it? Super cute though. And that's the 3rd bedroom from the girl we were renting from, so that is her bedroom, locked. Obviously we're not using. And I'll sneakily show you what my life really looks like all the time. Me working, chilling a bit, and then my boyfriend works, but when he's not working, he just makes music. So it's just bobbing head with some headphones. Say hello. My life in a nutshell. So that is our full apartment. It's a 3-bedroom apartment. As I said, we were renting it from someone who is visiting their family right now outside of Barcelona in a different country. So the 3rd bedroom obviously isn't in use for us. It is her bedroom. But obviously we have our bedroom and then a spare bedroom if you want to have any guests or any friends come and visit. So this 3-bedroom is in St. Anthony, which is a really cute neighborhood. Like I said, it is right like west of Raval, which is the Gothic Quarter, so about a 15-20 minute walk from like the center of Barcelona, but it's perfect. It's not quite as like touristy hectic, but a really nice area to live. So many cute bars and restaurants. And today we went for some Pinchos, which are like little kind of tapas. It's like a little appetizer on top of a little piece of bread with a little toothpick through it normally, and they're like €1 to €2 per piece, and you go and pick a bunch of different ones you want and just enjoy. So there's a really cute street by us. It's really well known for them, so went there today for lunch. It's a really nice area. So for our apartment we are paying €1,500 a month, I think on average, like, you really can get an apartment in Barcelona anywhere from like 1,200 to 1,500 for a decent apartment. Obviously, we would like to have a 2 or 3 bed in our own apartment when we do get one. We would like to have an office because both of us work remotely and work quite a bit, and then obviously bedroom for visitors and for friends to come stay with us, because obviously I'm American, as you can tell, and my boyfriend's in the UK. But yeah, that was a tour of our apartment and we're really loving it so far, so can't wait to show you more of Barcelona. So here is our neighborhood, San Anthony. It's super cute. We have a nice main intersection right by our apartment. Although it can be a bit loud, you definitely get used to the city noise. It makes everything very, very accessible. It's a lot of really cute restaurants and bars, even a really cute sweet shop. And we have access to 3 main lines here for the metro, so it's so easy to get around Barcelona, explore the streets, see the old medieval side in the Gothic quarter, see the fun little restaurants and bars and the quaint places in Born, and all the different sites that are available in Barcelona, which makes exploring super, super fun. Also, we have a really cute co-working space and cafe right near our apartment in Federal, where my boyfriend and I love to just go get some coffee, sit and work for a couple hours. The vibe is amazing, and it's just so nice to get out of the apartment and just seeing different places of Barcelona. Well, that was just a small glimpse into Barcelona as we just moved here, and I can't wait to bring you guys around with me more, show you more of Barcelona, take you to more cafes, co-working spaces, some really cool sites, take you out to some good restaurants, because I gotta show the food in Barcelona for sure. And just like I said, give an insight into seeing whether Barcelona is a good city for digital nomads, especially as the new visas coming out in the new year. So hope you guys enjoyed that video, and see you in the next one.